Hey Simple Fun 360 users, just wanted to check in with you all. I know this particular time of year you could be looking at getting your tax planning underway or potentially going through your funds and looking at setting up bank feeds. If you are finding yourselves obviously setting up bank feeds and you're missing transaction data from the 1st of July through to today's date, wanted to talk to you guys about utilising the Smart Docs feature within the software. So with the Smart Docs feature, if you have the bank statements from the client, all you need to do is take a photo of the bank statements or scan them in, and as a PDF, drag them into the Smart Docs screen where the bank statement will be read and all your transactions will come into the software. Definitely making data entry much faster and much easier.